Hello friends, how are you? Hoping you are well, and you have to keep yourself well because I am uploading my videos only for you all to view it. So it's Amit Banerjee with you and welcome to my channel xledutech Empower Yourself. Friends, in my previous video I have discussed on very popular vlookup function on my YouTube channel. But there, one of my viewer friends wrote comment on that video by asking me that if I discussed on locking or freezing, whatever you may call, for range of cell or cells in Excel. Actually, he meant it that I should explain that thing clearly. So I am thanking him to help me for keeping eyes on this topic for better understanding. Friends, I am always expecting that ask me anything regarding my discussion on YouTube, either by writing comment in comment box below or by mailing me to my email ID given in description section of this channel. So for this, I have made this video on topic locking range of cells in MS Excel. Friends, to understand locking or freezing range of cells, you have to understand what is cell reference and their types. So I can say that there are three types of references are there in Excel, namely relative reference, absolute reference, and mixed reference. And by listening, this surely question arises in your mind that what are they, right? Definitely I will answer those for you. Friends, references applies when a formula is being copied and filled to other cells. Here, relative references change when a formula is copied to another cell, and absolute reference, on the other hand, remain constant no matter where they are copied, and mixed reference is a kind of blending of relative and absolute reference. It applies on a cell's column or row. I am explaining these in our practical session, so without wasting more time, let's come to the practical session directly and definitely watch this video till end in order to clear the concept. So in my previous video, you may have noticed that usually I have used a term array. Now, what is array? Mathematically, array means a set of data, and in Excel it is also a set of data, nothing more. But there are two types of arrays. Number one is single dimensional array and another is double dimensional array. Single dimensional array means either a set of data in a single row or in a set of data in a single column. And double dimensional array means set of data populated in multiple rows and multiple columns. That is nothing but a table. So if you focus on my screen, you can see that I have taken a table. Basically, this table is nothing but a mark sheet of several students. This table I have also used in my previous vlookup video, right? So in this table, if I focus on any single row, so this row will be called as a single dimensional array, and then this row, this is also a single dimensional array, this is also a single dimensional array, this is also a single this is also a single dimensional array, like this. And if I select it vertically, this is also another single dimensional array, this is also a separate single dimensional array. Okay, so these are the single dimensional arrays, and this is our double dimensional array because this mark sheet is consist of several rows and columns full of data, right? So this table has two dimensions. One is row and another is column. That is why it is called two-dimensional array. So now come to the point of references of cells. Okay, so I have already told that there are three types of references. Number one is relative references, number two is absolute reference, number three is mixed reference. So what is relative reference? In order to type any function, if we put within the function any cell address like A5, okay, so this is our relative reference. A5 is a address of cell. This is our A column and this is our fifth row, means this cell, this point of intersection is called relative reference. Okay, A5. Next, what is absolute reference? The absolute reference, if I type like this $A $5 within any function, okay, of Excel, so this is called our absolute reference. It means that A5 cell is locked. Okay, and what is mixed reference? Mixed reference is a blending of relative and absolute reference. Okay, so if I type A $5 and $A5, both are the example of mixed reference. In this case, it means that dollar symbol appears before 5. It means fifth row is being locked or fixed, and in this case dollar symbol appears before A, means A column. It means A column is fixed or freezed or locked. Okay, so these are our differences. Let's try it in our formula. Okay, so this is our target table and this is our source table, right? In target table I have taken few students' name and subject name here, and I want to bring the marks for English and Maths for student Suraj, Pooja, Rakesh and Nidhi from our source table. Means in source table, when I write the formula vlookup, in source table it will find the Suraj, then where is Suraj, then it will find for English, marks in English and marks in Math, and that will be fetched here. Okay, so I am first typing the formula of vlookup for showing relative reference, equals to vlookup, lookup value is here Suraj, this cell K5 cell. Next, table array. Table array means this whole set of data, means array of data is our table array. Okay, I am not freezing here. Okay, watch minorly. Then column index, as I am typing formula for English column, English is in source table in second column, so put 2 here. Next, 0 for exact match. Okay, so Suraj got 80 in English. Let's check in source table. Suraj got 80 in English. Okay, now I am copying this formula vertically. Okay, See what happened here. For Rakesh and Nidhi, the output is #NA. #NA error in Excel means not available. NA means not available or not availability of data, right? Why it is so? Now, if I see the formula for Suraj, see here the table array is indicated by the red border, okay, right? No problem here. And Suraj is within the scope of the table array, okay. Where is Suraj here? Suraj is here, right? Now try it for, let's see, for Pooja. See minutely, as the Pooja is next to Suraj, and I have used here, one second, I have used here relative reference C5 to I19. So it means that the whole highlighted area of lookup array is being shifted by a row, okay. Again see, in case of Suraj, this was our first data. In case of Suraj, the table array was starting from C4, this is C and this is 4, up to I18, okay, this whole set of data. But for Pooja, the whole table array is being shifted, means as the Pooja is in second position of the target table and the references of table array is as relative, so the total table array area is shifted by one row, okay. But I got the value here, means I got the marks of English for Pooja. Why it's so? Pooja is now within the scope of this range, okay. Now it's for Rakesh. Let's check it for Rakesh. Here you see again this total area, means lookup array area, is shifted by another row downward, and now Rakesh is out of scope of this area, so that is why it can't find the data for Rakesh, and so as a result is returned #NA error, okay. Same for Nidhi. See, the total lookup array is again shifted by one row downwards, okay. So this is the problem if I use relative reference in case of vlookup, right? In order to correct this error, I am freezing, means here I am using absolute reference. I am freezing by pressing F4. See, if I press F4, the dollar symbol appears before the column and also row, okay, and hit enter key. Then I am copying it vertically, right? See, now see, all the data I have got here correctly. See, the area of, means whole range of data, means table array. For Suraj, this, okay. Next, I am changing focus to the next cell. You see again that this area is fixed in the fixed position. Next, again the table array is in the same position, no shifting of rows or columns. Okay, and for the last record, again you see in the same position, table array remains. Okay, it means this area, this range of data is being freezed or locked. Okay, this is our absolute reference. And now I will show you the mixed reference. To do that, again I am typing the formula. Okay, equals to vlookup. Now here lookup value is Suraj. If actually until I put any dollar symbol before k or before 5, it is now as relative reference. But if I want to freeze k column, then I have to put dollar symbol before k. Okay, so that's why I have to put F4 key 3 times, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. See, the dollar symbol now appears before k. It means k column is being locked or freezed, but row 5 is not freezed or locked. This is a example of mixed reference, right? Next, table array. Table array, always this is our table array, and I have to freeze it by pressing F4. Okay, this is our absolute reference. Next, column index. English is in column number 2 in source table, so I put 2, and next 0 for exact match. So copy the formula, right? Okay, all is okay. So now check. See, $k means k column is being freezed. Okay, in next case again k column is being freezed, but row changes. In previous case row was 5, in next case row is 6. You see in next case row will be 7. Okay, so here row is 7. It means k column is being freezed, but row changes over and over. Okay, this is the example of mixed reference. So friends, this is how cell referencing works on a table or array of data while applying any formula for any particular cell or cells. Hope you all enjoyed my video till end. So if you like this video, please do subscribe my channel if you not subscribed yet, and yes, definitely share this video as many as possible, and obviously don't forget to like this video and also click on bell icon to get notified for new additions. Give comment on comment box below if required. I will definitely answer to your problem as soon as possible. So friends, I have already given below my channel URL and also the list of videos till now I have covered for your easy access and learning. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you very much.